All right, about to open the door to see what we find as we take the dogs out. Oh, well, we can't see anything yet because the snow is covering the door. Oh my gosh. Look at Penelope. It's 8 in the morning, and we are definitely in the record books. We are the 6th largest storm. They're expecting us to beat the number 4 storm. That's what we're shooting for. We're shooting to be number 4. Okay, go. Okay, inside. So, I brought them out last night at 2:30. They had completely built a tunnel through here to where Penny's going right now. That has been covered. I mean, they were out here at 2:30 in the morning, and I have a video of it, so I'll compare the two. I'd even Charlie, I hope you're going to the bathroom, because it'll be a while before we come back out. He just doesn't know what to do. So this is February 9th, 2013, and I definitely am in probably the 3-foot range. If you can look, oh, those are drifts. But that wind is just super. Okay. Char, seriously, you gotta make an effort, dude. Make an effort. Go on, look what Penelope did. Yeah, no, I can. Hi, girl. Look at, see, she's trying. Pen's kind of old hat at this note. There's Charlie. He loves to do, this is what he likes to do. Loves to do that. Okay. Come on, dude. Come on. I know you think, here's the thing. Charlie thinks he's going to make the great escape of his life out of this fence and then go be a street dog. And I would have to chase his sorry ass down through that hall, little corridor, which is, gosh, I can't even show you the depth. All right, so I'm shooting from the standpoint of 5'5". I'm 5'5". So I'm just going to try to get down. I don't even know if this helps. Still doesn't really help. Well, here's the fence. Let me show you the fence. So it's up to pretty high on the fence. Charlie, looks like Snoopy. Come on, go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, you dork. Okay. Oh, that's gonna suck if I ripped that. Okay. Look at over here. This is crazy. So these are more. Ow. Well, this is like, well, that's about 6 feet right there, but that's definitely due to wind drifts. And I'll just slope it down. I don't know if you can see the difference, but that's what the wind's been doing. So same up there. And there's like that's my neighbor's. That's crazy. I don't even know what to say about that. My neighbor's garbage can. Maybe that's a more accurate depiction. I have no clue. My neighbor's stairs. Charlie, serious, come on. I know you guys have to go. I'll even forgive you if you have to do it in the house. I'll put down some little pads, but there's Penny and Penelope. Look, guys. Look, Pen. Hi. There she goes. She's so brave. Oh, mush. Mush, Penny. Mush. Mush through it. I think that's what they say. God help me if I ever got stuck in a snowstorm. It'd be like the Donner Party. My dogs would just eat me. Okay. Oh, Penny's trying to get Charlie's leash untangled. Now she doesn't care so much. They don't care. They're not going to the bathroom. And so, okay, my sweats are stuck in the fence. I'm frozen out here. Okay, well, they're not moving. They are not. This is serious. Like, this is number 1. This is, oh, they're shaking. Okay, we're done. We're done. And this video is brought to you, Charlie. give you a face plant. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, you can't even wait to get in. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can flip the camera around. Oh, goodness. This is me now. Nice, right? Thanks, bud. He's not having any of this. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. All right, we're done. We're done here. My hands. Yeah, actually, this stuff has just collected as I've been filming. Okay, bye-bye.